Hi, my name is Eiley Yang and I'm a food scientist for Zetrim Ingredients. Today, I will show you how Zetrim Ingredients provide multiple benefits for bakery applications. To demonstrate this, I have prepared 2 batches of frozen biscuits. One made with Zetrim and one made without. That is the only difference. Both products were microwaved under the same conditions. Let's take a look at the control biscuit and how it compares to the Zetrim biscuit. The Zetrim biscuit has a softer and moister texture compared to the control biscuit. This is because Zetrim ingredients slow down the loss of moisture during microwave heating, resulting in a more palatable finished product. Let's take a look at the graph. During the initial bake, the control biscuit lost 40% more moisture than the Zetrim biscuit. After microwave heating, the control biscuit lost 85% more moisture than the Zetrim biscuit. Simply put, Zetrim ingredients manages moisture in bakery applications unlike any other ingredients on the market. For more information on how Zetrim ingredients can help lower costs and improve your product, please contact us at 847-549-6002 or visit us at zetrim.com. Thank you.